This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Carlos Ramirez. Don't miss this 1-bed/1-bath apartment with a beautiful view. It features an open floor plan and tile floors throughout, plus 2 parking spaces, not too easy to find during these days. Community offers a pool, gym, tennis court and barbecue area. Close to Black Point Marine, restaurants and more. Water is included. Hurry! Make this your home or your investment property. For more information, review the details below or contact Carlos Ramirez at 786-581-1400.